Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. This is McNeil's Tech Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to put password on your computer to protect it from unauthorized access. This is Windows 10. Here I am on my computer desktop. When you first turn on the computer, it gives you this interface. If there is no password on your computer, it looks this way, so you only click on sign in and it takes you straight into your computer system. Here there's no password on my computer, so it just opens and gives me the sign in option. I only click on sign in and then it takes me straight to my system. Now I want to put password on it. So first of all, I'm going to click on the Windows start button here, and then let's go to settings. Now on the settings page, we are going to click on accounts. So here we look for accounts and then we'll click on accounts to open another interface to direct us. So we are going to click on account here, and on accounts we can see from this left corner we see sign in, so we are going to click on sign in as the next step. Now from here we can see another set of options over here, and then what we are looking for is password. So we have sign in with your account password, so we want to click on password, then go on to the next option. So here we want to click on password to open that option for us. So because I don't have a password on my computer, it tells me your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign in options. So I want to click on add. So this is the option. We click on add, then it gives us this dialog box where we can enter the new password. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the password as it is. One reminder is every letter you use in creating the password is case sensitive. So what that means is that if you use uppercase or lowercase letters to create the password, you will need the cases to be in the same order how they were before you enter it. You created a password. So I'm going to enter password like this, and then second you confirm this password. Then it gives you hint. If you like, you can enter a hint. A hint is just anything that could remind you of the password, assuming you forget the password, something related to the password, so that in case you forget the password, the hint would quickly remind you what the password is used for. Okay, so assuming the password I'm entering here is my date of birth, I can use date of birth as hint, so that in case I forget a password, the hint tells me that what I used here is my date of birth. So that is just the purpose of the hint. You can choose to enter it or not. Here I'm going to leave this. Okay, give this hint as maybe my name. Okay, so I want to use my name as the password. Okay, I want to use this as my password. Good. Then you can click on next. All right, so at this point my password is created, so I'll click on finish, and then my password has been set successfully. Okay, from here I would want to open my computer. So here I'm locking this and I want to enter my computer system. Just like when you turn on the computer, it gives you this interface. I want to enter, and here it tells me that I need to enter password, and this is where I'll enter the password. Now under it, it says caps lock is on. It's telling me that my caps lock key is on. Okay, meaning that if the text I entered is text that was not in uppercase, I would have to make sure I turn off my uppercase key before I enter. Assuming I entered it in uppercase, I would have to do same. Okay, so I'm going to enter my password that I entered, and then it opens it for me. Hit the enter key, or you just click on the arrow here, and then it opens for you. Okay, so this is how to use password or protect your computer with password. Assuming you want to take off the password as well, you can follow the same procedure. Go to settings, and then you go straight to accounts, and then from accounts you go to sign in, and then if you go to the sign in options, you go to password, and it will allow you to either change the password or you add another password. So if I click on change here, and maybe I want to take off the password, here it asks me to confirm my password. So I've confirmed my password, that is the current password, and then it's now asking me to enter a new password. If I want a new password, I'll enter it here, confirm it here, add a hint, or just jump that option and then click on next, and then click on finish. Here I decided not to enter any password at all, so here, since I've left it blank, my computer doesn't have any password protecting it anymore. So here it comes back to this option, and if I want to add a password, I'll come here and come and do the same thing. Thank you guys. This is how to protect your computer with password, put password on it, or to remove a password on your computer. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do so, so that you become part of the family. Remember to keep learning, because it takes learning to get to the next level. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.